Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. Playing split screen on Fortnite is straightforward on PlayStation or Xbox. On PlayStation, at the bottom of the lobby, press the triangle button to log in the second player. On Xbox, press the A button. Once both players are in the lobby, split screen mode starts automatically when the game begins. However, split screen is not currently supported on Nintendo Switch. This is likely due to the console's graphics and resolution limitations. Only the gameplay can be shared in split screen. Lobby menus and submenus are not visible. Keep in mind that if one player disconnects or leaves the match, the split screen session will end for both players. Also, both players should use the same language settings to ensure the split screen works properly. For now, the best way to enjoy Fortnite split screen is on PlayStation or Xbox. Hopefully, future Nintendo Switch updates will allow split screen support. So that's basically how you can play split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. That's it for this video. Thanks.